10 quiet geniuses of British inventors. History remembers the loudest names, the conquerors, the industrial titans, the headline makers. But some of the most powerful forces shaping your everyday life came from minds that worked almost quietly, in workshops, laboratories, and code rooms, refining ideas that would reshape civilization. Today we're counting down the 10 quiet geniuses of British inventors, ranked strictly from 10 to 1. And number 1 didn't just help win a war, he defined modern computing itself. Let's begin at number 10. 10. George Stephenson. He didn't invent the steam engine, he made it unstoppable. George Stephenson was not the first to build a steam locomotive. Earlier pioneers like Richard Trevithick had already experimented with rail engines. But Stephenson did something different. He made railway transport commercially viable and systemized it. In 1825, his locomotive Locomotion No. 1 pulled both coal and passengers on the Stockton and Darlington Railway, the world's first public railway to use steam locomotives. Crowds gathered to watch iron wheels thunder across rails at speeds that felt revolutionary. Even more lasting was his influence on track gauge. The 4 feet 8.5-inch gauge he championed became the dominant railway standard in Britain and much of the world. He didn't invent railways, he made them practical and permanent, and that practical brilliance only grows from here. 9. Frank Whittle. He imagined an engine powered by fire and air when the world still trusted propellers. Frank Whittle patented his turbojet concept in 1930, proposing a radical idea: compress incoming air, ignite fuel, and expel the exhaust at extreme velocity to create thrust. At the time, aviation authorities doubted the feasibility. Funding was limited. But Whittle kept refining the design. In 1941, the Gloucester E-28/39 took to the skies powered by his engine, one of the first successful jet-powered aircraft in history. Jet propulsion would soon transform civilian travel and military aviation, shrinking global distances in a way no propeller could. Whittle didn't just improve flight, he redefined speed itself. But speed isn't the only quiet revolution on this list. 8. James Dyson. He built over 5,000 failures before getting it right. James Dyson questioned something most people accepted: why do vacuum cleaners lose suction? Inspired by industrial cyclone separators used in sawmills, he applied cyclonic separation to domestic cleaning. It took 5,127 prototypes. Major manufacturers rejected the idea. So Dyson founded his own company. His bagless vacuum cleaner became a global design icon, turning a mundane household tool into an engineering statement. He didn't invent the vacuum cleaner, he reinvented how it worked and how consumers viewed product design. Persistence can be as powerful as inspiration, and sometimes vision arrives a century too early. 7. Ada Lovelace. She saw music and imagination inside a machine that had never been built. Ada Lovelace worked alongside Charles Babbage on plans for the analytical engine, a mechanical computing concept that remained theoretical. In her notes during the 1840s, she described an algorithm intended for that machine. Many historians consider it the first published computer program, even though the machine itself was never completed. More remarkably, she understood that such a machine could manipulate symbols, not just numbers. She imagined it composing music or handling complex patterns. She wasn't programming a working computer, she was envisioning the philosophy of computing, decades before electricity powered a single processor. Vision like that doesn't echo, it ripples forward through centuries, and then came moving images. 6. John Logie Baird. He turned flickering light into television. In 1926, John Logie Baird demonstrated a working mechanical television system in London. The images were grainy, ghost-like, but they moved. Baird's early system used spinning discs to scan and transmit images. He achieved one of the first public demonstrations of true television and later managed transatlantic transmission experiments. Mechanical television would eventually be replaced by fully electronic systems developed by others. But Baird proved it was possible to send moving images through the air, news broadcasts, live events, global entertainment networks. The seed began in that experimental lab. Some revolutions are visual, others are microscopic. 5. Alexander Fleming. He noticed what others might have thrown away. In 1928, Alexander Fleming observed that a mold contaminating his petri dishes was killing surrounding bacteria. That mold was penicillium. Fleming identified penicillin's antibacterial properties. However, he did not develop it into a mass-produced medicine. That critical breakthrough came later through the work of Howard Florey, Ernst Chain, and their Oxford team. Still, without Fleming's observation, the antibiotic era might have been delayed significantly. It wasn't just discovery, it was attentiveness. Sometimes genius is simply looking closer, but scale can also define genius. 4. Isambard Kingdom Brunel. He built infrastructure that felt almost impossible. Isambard Kingdom Brunel engineered the Great Western Railway, dramatically improving connections between London and Western England. He designed vast tunnels, daring bridges and revolutionary ships. The SS Great Britain became the first iron-hulled, screw-propelled ocean liner, a milestone in maritime engineering. The Clifton Suspension Bridge, completed after his death, still spans the Avon Gorge with elegance. Brunel didn't invent rail travel or shipbuilding. He expanded their ambition. His projects made Britain feel smaller and more connected, but some connections are invisible. 3. Tim Berners-Lee. He made the internet usable. In 1989, while working at CERN, Tim Berners-Lee proposed a system for linking documents across networks using hypertext. The internet already existed as a network infrastructure. Berners-Lee created the World Wide Web, building the first web server, the first browser, and the protocols that made websites possible: HTTP, HTML, and URLs. Most importantly, he made it open and royalty-free. No patents, no licensing fees. Every website, every online store, every streaming service traces its architecture back to that decision. He didn't invent the internet. He made it accessible to the world, but electricity itself came first. 2. Michael Faraday. He transformed invisible forces into usable power. Michael Faraday came from humble beginnings and had little formal education. Yet in 1831, he demonstrated electromagnetic induction. Showing that motion in a magnetic field could generate electricity, he did not invent every electric motor. But his experiments laid the scientific foundation for generators and motors that power modern civilization. Every power station relies on principles Faraday revealed. His genius wasn't theoretical alone. It was experimental, methodical, repeatable, transformative. Without Faraday, the electric age might have been delayed by decades. And now, number 1. 1. Alan Turing. He defined what a computer is before most existed. Alan Turing was part of the team at Bletchley Park that worked to break the German Enigma cipher during the Second World War. The effort was collaborative and built partly on earlier Polish cryptanalysis, but Turing played a central role in designing machines that automated code breaking. Historians widely agree that the code-breaking effort shortened the war in Europe. Beyond wartime intelligence, Turing's 1936 paper introduced the concept of a theoretical computing machine, now known as the Turing machine, defining the fundamentals of computation itself. He later proposed the idea now called the Turing test, asking whether machines could exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from humans. He didn't just help decode messages, he defined the language of modern computing. From steam locomotives to electromagnetic induction, from antibiotics to the World Wide Web, these quiet geniuses of British inventors shaped the systems that power your daily life, often without applause. And if this countdown changed how you see innovation, there's an entire world of hidden pioneers still waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.